In this video, we're going to talk about basically trigonometric identities. Well, a trigonometric identity is a relationship among trigonometric functions. For example, as an example, I can give you, for example, let's say you have a triangle like this, and let's say this is theta, and if let's say this is x, this is y, and this is r. So if such is the case, then you can say that, for example, sine theta is equal to x divided by r. Of course, as a definition, you always say that sine theta is equal to y by r, but in this case, this doesn't apply. So in this case, you can say that sine theta is equal to x divided by r, or you could say that cos theta in this case is equal to y divided by r. Now you already know that tan theta is equal to, in this case, is equal to x divided by y. So this opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Now, if you pay attention here to what we've written, sine theta was x divided by r, cos theta was y divided by r. Now, if I divide sine theta by cos theta, and then substitute what we've gotten here, x divided by r divided by y divided by r. If you simplify this, you get x divided by y, which is basically the same thing as what I've gotten here. So basically I can say that, for example, sine theta by cos theta is equal to basically tan theta. Because if this is equal to this, then this is equal to this. So tan theta. So this is a relationship between the trigonometric functions, and so this is basically called a trigonometric identity. Now there are a few of these trigonometric identities that you need to learn, and you need to know them in order to solve your problems. And the important ones are basically cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. It's always like that, you know. The reciprocal of sine theta is always cosecant theta, and secant theta is equal to always 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. And as we said here, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. You can verify each one of these and see for yourself how that works, but that's basically like that. Or cot theta is equal to basically cos theta by sine theta. And you can see here how that works. For example, tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta, And so I mean, cot theta and tan theta are the reciprocal of one another. So if tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, then cot theta must be equal to cos theta by sine theta. The reciprocal of this is equal to this. So that's how it works. And basically, this also means that sine theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Sorry. One by cosecant theta. And this also means that cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. And also tan theta is 1 by cot theta, and so on and so forth. So these are the important trigonometric identities. And now let's do another trigonometric identity here. Put this to 100. This is going to take forever to delete this. Okay, so next, what we can do is, basically we had this model of the Cartesian coordinate system and an angle, an obtuse angle that's greater than pi by 2. This is pi by 2. That's greater than pi by 2. It's an obtuse angle right here. And here we got the terminal side of the angle, and the angle starts from here, of course, as you know. And so here you get basically a triangle, something like this. And then this would be basically your x value, this would be your y value, and this would be your r value. And according to the Pythagorean theorem, you basically know that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. And you basically you already know that let me see how I can do that. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. Well, you know that always sine theta is equal to y divided by r, and cos theta is equal to x divided by r. So basically sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to y by r whole squared plus x by r whole squared, which is basically y squared by r squared plus x squared by r squared, which is x squared plus y squared by r squared. But you know that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So you can substitute r squared with, so here we have x squared plus y squared, and r squared is here x squared plus y squared. So this is basically 1. So this means that this basically means that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So this is something important that you can use everywhere, almost everywhere. It's very important. And also these, you need to learn these as well. I mean, all of us. Now, we have still some time here. So now you have this equation. If you divide everything by cos squared theta, so dividing by cos squared theta, we get sine squared theta by cos squared theta plus cos squared theta divided by cos squared theta is equal to 1 divided by cos squared theta. So sine squared theta by cos squared theta is basically tan squared theta plus 1, this is 1, is equal to 1 divided by cos squared theta is secant squared theta, based on what we did up here. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So, and sine squared by cos squared is basically tan squared. So this is also based on this. Sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. So basically now we have tan squared theta is equal, tan squared theta plus 1 is secant squared theta. And this is also important. This is also something to remember. And this one. So I guess we don't have any time to go through the rest of them, so I will simply do the rest of them in the next video.